Sairam children, welcome back to the session revision part 3. Lesson number 1, landforms of the world. So today we will revise the remaining part of this lesson. Okay, we'll continue. So before moving to the next topic, let's quickly recall. So in the previous class, we revised plateaus, plains, deserts, coast. So children, what is a plateau? Yes, a large area of land that is higher than the surroundings and more or less flat at the top is known as a plateau. What are plains? Yes, what are plains? Yes, plains are flat lands with gentle slopes. Okay, now tell me, what are deserts? Deserts are large, extremely dry areas of land. What is a coast? Yes, coast is a place where the land meets the sea. Okay, so now our next topic is coast, peninsulas, bays and islands and rivers. So children, what is a coast? A place where the land meets the sea is called a coast. So some coasts are sandy and straight. Others are rocky. What is a peninsula? Yes, a land mass which projects into the sea and is surrounded by water on 3 sides is called a peninsula. Okay children, now tell me, which part of our country is a peninsula? You had learned, isn't it? Which part? Yes, the southern part of our country is a peninsula. What is a cape? Yes, the tip of a peninsula is called a cape. What is cape? The tip of a peninsula is called a cape. What is Cape Comorin? Yes. What is Cape Comorin? Yes. The southernmost tip of the Indian peninsula is called Cape Comorin. Okay, now you tell me, which is the largest peninsula in the world? Yes, the Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. So children, this is the picture of the Sinai Peninsula in Egypt. Our next topic is bay. So what is a bay? Yes, a bay is a water body running into land and surrounded on 3 sides by land. It is surrounded on 3 sides by land. Okay. Example, the Bay of Bengal along the eastern coast of India is an example. Now look at the picture there. This is the Hanauma Bay that is in Oahu in Hawaii. This is the Hanauma Bay in Oahu in Hawaii. Okay. Next topic is island. So you all know what is an island. So what children, what is an island? Yes, an island is a land mass surrounded on all sides by water. It is surrounded on all sides by water. So what is Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka is an island. And Andaman and Nicobar Islands, in the where it is in the Bay of Bengal. They are group of islands and they are a part of India. Okay. And Australia is the world's largest island. Is it clear, students? See, this is the Robben Island, which is in South Africa. Okay. Our next topic is rivers. So children, you all must have seen rivers, isn't it? So what are rivers? Yes, long streams of water are called rivers. Okay, from where do the rivers start? Many rivers start in the mountains, that is from melting snow in glaciers. That is why they have water throughout the year and are called perennial rivers. And most rivers in North India are perennial rivers. In South India, rivers are formed by rainwater. That is why they do not have water throughout the year, and such rivers are called seasonal rivers. And rivers ultimately flow into the sea. Is that clear, children? Along the course of a river, there are smaller rivers join the main rivers, and they are called tributaries. So children, you already learned this, isn't it? And you also know that river ultimately flow into the sea. Okay, so before entering the sea, the river becomes very slow and it carries a lot of sediment, and this keep getting deposited on the way and causes the river to break into channels or distributaries. And these spread out like a triangle called delta. The delta formed by the Brahmaputra and the Ganga is the largest in the world. Just look at the picture on the screen. See, this is a tributary joining the main river. Now children, tell me, which is the longest river in the world? Yes, the Nile in Egypt is the longest river in the world. Just look at the picture here. This is the delta formed by the river Nile. And this is the Nile in Egypt. This is the Nile River in Egypt. Now we will see some other important rivers. The Mississippi in the USA, the Congo River in Africa, and the Ganga River in India. So children, in history, we find that great civilizations have always developed where? Yes, along rivers. Why? The soil is richest here and the rivers provide water for drinking, domestic and agriculture purposes. So children, with this the chapter comes to an end. Now we will do some objective questions. First question, fill in the blanks. A triangular piece of land near the mouth of a river is called, yes, it's called what? Yes, delta. Second question, the tip of a peninsula is called, the four options are bay, cape, coast, island. I know you all know the answer. Yes, what is the answer? Cape. Next is name the following. First question, the largest desert in the world? Yes? The Sahara Desert. Very good. Next question, the longest river in the world? Yeah, you know the answer. I know you all know the answer. Yes, the river Nile. An island country in the Indian Ocean? Yes, Sri Lanka. Next is multiple choice question. A place where land meet the sea is called? Yes, coast. Next, small rivers that flow into the main rivers are called? Yes, tributaries. Next, say true or false. Long streams of water are called rivers. Yes, true or false? True. The northern part of a country is a peninsula. Yes, which part? The northern part of a country is a peninsula? True or false? Yes, false. Next is the delta made by the Brahmaputra and the Ganga is the largest in the world. Just now we saw. You know the answer. Yes, true. So children, with this the chapter comes to an end. I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.